The reason I decided to join Lovejoy Real Estate is because of the team culture. As soon as I met Jenny and all of the other agents on the team, I knew instantly that I would fit in great. Everyone's just so fun and collaborative and just a really great culture to be a part of.
I decided to join the Lovejoy team because of Jenny, quite honestly. I was completely impressed with her. There were so many leads and she didn't have enough agents. And of course, I texted her right away and said, I want to be part of your team. And she was pivotal in helping me become a real estate agent.
Integrity. That's the first word that I think of when we talk about Lovejoy Real Estate, is integrity. And I think Lovejoy brings integrity, honesty, and an incredibly hard work ethic. All of those things really fit right into the name Lovejoy.
Well, I feel like everyone on the team, the culture is very authentic and everyone's just very down to earth, and I really value that. I just think it's a lot of fun because real estate's a fun career. It's really a fun job to have, especially when you really enjoy your colleagues and teammates. My favorite thing about working on the Turner team is that it feels like a big family. I love the team culture and everything that it has to offer. Everyone is very close and it's very supportive and it's a lot of fun.
Our admin support's been extremely helpful. They've helped me by allowing me to focus more on what my next transaction would be. There's a lot that we have to multitask, from whether it's on the phone, making calls, answering calls, being out meeting people, showing property, opening doors. There's a lot that we have to manage throughout our day. So be able to have that support staff, have that team that can double check my work is invaluable.
The Turner team is wonderful. The support that they provide is amazing. It's second to none. It's really an amazing experience to have the energy and the support that you really need to succeed, because there's a lot of work involved with this business. There's a lot of fun, there's a lot of work, and to dovetail those two things together is what Lovejoy does.
As somebody who is absolutely not a social media expert and who looks at that and feels like I'm trying to read a different language, our marketing support staff, whether it's from creating the post, generating the post, helping me with times to post and what to post and where, whether it's the difference between Instagram and Facebook. You may be an expert on that, but I'm not, but I'm getting there with the help of my marketing team.